Today, I'm going to show you some of the knobs that I purchased to do an upgrade. Follow along. Alright guys, so these are some knobs that I had purchased to upgrade the factory knobs, and these are by AJT Design. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but they're the same company that I did this video not too long ago for the key fob swap, and I love it. I mean, it's so much better than the stock one. But anyway, so this is the interior ones. This is for the radio knobs, and I didn't like the smaller radio knobs on the 2021 and 22, but anyway, it is what it is. These are for the climate knobs, and this is actually for the transfer case, since mine comes with a turn dial like this instead of the miniature shifter. So I'm gonna be putting these together and bringing you guys along to show you how it looks. There are instructional videos online, but you're watching this one, so let's do it. So for this one, it comes with these screws that need to be placed. So there's 5 on the top, and then there's actually 2 in the back that need to be put on prior to the install. Okay, so the screws are in on the back as well as inside the front. The neat thing about these is you can actually customize them. As most of you know, my theme is just with the black, so I did a black on black, but they sell these in, this is a aluminum, billet aluminum, and it's anodized matte black finish, but I think it looks a lot nicer than the stock silver one. But you can get different color screws, you know, like black and red, or you can get them in white, or you can get the knob in white with the black screws. I think that looks pretty sharp as well. So the beautiful thing about these, as well as the climate knobs, you can get them in different colors. The radio knobs, at least for the 21, 22s, they just come in one color. There's no screws to go with those to offset. But if you have 2 different color themes, I mean, they offer a pretty good variety. So you just have to check the website. Now I'm just going to insert the screws in the climate knobs, and then they will be ready to be installed. This is heavy. This is the transfer case shift knob. It's a good quality. These are really just plastic, but I think it looks good. One thing they do caution is to not over tighten the screws. I mean, it is metal screws going into a plastic knob, so there's no point in over tightening. These are literally just tension screws. Also, there is a huge caution to never use Loctite on the screws, as it will actually damage the plastic. So these are the difference with the 2 outside knobs and the center one that's for the air conditioner knob there. And I'm almost done, and we will take these out. So as you can see, these knobs here, they actually pull straight out, as well as these. It might require a little bit of force. Now for the climate change, or the climate knobs, we're going to be using this button there, as well as all the amber lenses there, as well as this will be pulled out, and there's not going to be this push button for the new one, so that's going to be pretty interesting as well. They literally pull straight out, and they can only go in one way. So that's it there. And then that's it right there. First one complete. And again, for this middle knob, we'll be using this AC plate. And these just pull straight out, and we'll be using these amber ones too. That's what they look like so far. What do you guys think? You think it's a pretty nice upgrade from the stock silver ones to it's more of a matte black? I can't complain. I think it looks actually really nice. I don't know if this is doing it any justice, but I think it looks really good. And for the middle, it's just a matter of lining up this part here. There's a little channel right there, so there's literally only one way that it could go in, and then it's guiding it in like that. They're all and then the AC button, it only goes in one way as well. So there it is. Those are the knobs, and last but not least, we will do the transfer case knob switch. For this, I mean, it's literally just this little thing here that gets you into 4-wheel drive and 4-low. In the back though, there is something here that there's a clip that we need to take out, a metal clip that needs to go into the new one. However, the new one does away with this push button. There is no push button lever. So I'm going to take out this clip and I'll show you what I mean. So this little thing here goes inside there. And that's it. There's only one way it goes in. And this is what I'm talking about. There is no side button like this one has the unlock. So the difference is this one will literally just turn. Goes in like that. And you can just turn from 2-wheel drive to 4 high. However, you will still need to push it down to go into 4 low. So it does still have that feature. But anyway, for the just going from 2 to 4-wheel, no push, no unlock, and then you'll just push it down to go to 4 low. Anyway, this is the comparison there in terms of color, with my fingerprints already all over it. What do you guys think? Leave a comment, leave a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching this short knob upgrade install video. This is Ryan from Riding in Style. Yeah.